Today we are going to demonstrate the flow under a sluice gate using the energy principle. The theoretical formula based on the conservation of specific energy is, in which Q is the discharge, B is the flume width, Y sub 1 is the upstream flow depth, Y sub 3 is the downstream flow depth, and G is the gravitational acceleration. For practical purposes, this theoretical formula can be expressed in terms of the gate opening Y sub 2 by defining a contraction ratio C sub C. The discharge coefficient C sub D is. This leads to the following formula for Q. The flume width is 6 inches or 152.4 millimeters. We set the gate opening Y sub 2 equal 15 millimeters. We turn on the pump. We set the bed level equal to 0 and check the level. Note that the point gauge is at 0 at the bottom of the flume. The upstream flow depth is Y sub 1 equal 4.599 inches or 116.815 millimeters. We move the gauge downstream of the sluice gate. Note that the point gauge is at 0 at the bottom of the flume. Now we're going to measure the downstream flow depth Y sub 3. Y sub 3 equal to 1.462 inches or 37.135 millimeters. Applying the theoretical equation based on the conservation of specific energy, the discharge is Q sub 1 equal 7.45 liters per second. Next, we calculate C sub C and C sub D. With these coefficients, we calculate Q sub 2 equals 7.45 liters per second. Note that both equations give the same answer.